I'm going to share you 11 alcohol and drugs abuse information. Number 1, 13 years old is the average age when children first experiment with drugs and alcohol. Number 2, alcohol is the most commonly abused substance. It's the third most common used and most common cause of death in another country like United States. Number 3, over 50% of all deaths and over 50% of all violent crimes are influenced by alcohol and drugs. Number 4, over 50% of traffic accidents involve alcohol or drugs. Number 5, 80% of reports of domestic violence, family conflict are somehow related to drugs and alcohol. And number 6, it is estimated that 60% of poor work performance can be tied back to drugs and alcohol. Well, when they drink and take drugs, their work performance is impaired. Their judgment is impaired. Number 7, 35 of 36 alcoholics have never received treatment. So seek help when you can. And number 8, 28% of college dropouts abuse alcohol. No wonder why some of them did not finish their study. Number 9, the most commonly abused prescriptions drugs are painkillers, tranquilizers, and stimulants. Number 10, the most commonly abused illicit drugs, marijuana, cocaine, and hallucinogens. I don't know what's that. Number 11, more than $600 billion and maybe more is lost annually due to substance abuse. They are the 11 most commonly drug and alcohol abuse information. Seek help when you can.